So friends, in this video we will promote our domain controller as a root CA certificate server as well. So we need to install some root certificate role on this server domain controller, which is 2025. So we go to the server manager. We go to the add role, and then we go to the root certificate authority server. Active Directory certificate services. Anything else we need to have? Federation, no. I think we are good. We don't need to select anything else. Yeah, just having a look. Next. Yeah, now we need to check if what do you want to do actually. So first we want to it as a CA. So that's the first option we have selected. And the certificate enrollment policy web service role. It is an it's a web service actually, which will enable computers to obtain certificate enrollment policy information even when the computer is not a member of the domain or it's out of the domain. The certificate enrollment policy web service work with the certificate enrollment web service to provide policy based. No, we don't need this. I think we just need this one, the web service, so that we can go via web and issue certificates to us. And if we need this, we need to have a web services as well selected. So we can go via web page and issue certificates to us. It will take some time, so we need to wait till it completes. Now, next video we will upload is about how to set up DSCP on 2025 server. And this is with regard to our virtualization channel. We have another channel about ethical hacking where we would be uploading one more video this week about how people steal your information from the websites if you don't use HTTP S-based website. And there is also some techniques to downgrade HTTPS websites to HTTP. We will also talk about this in some other videos. But yeah, subscribe to our channel so that you get update or on when we are uploading any video. You can also put comments if you want some specific topic video. So just write to us and we will try to prepare that video and upload for you. So we have a certificate authority roles configured, and yeah, we need to do some magic work. Yeah, the completion of this. Select the role to configure. Yeah, this is an standalone CA. Now we take enterprise CA because we want to have online to issue and certificates. This is a root CAS. No, we don't want. We want 2 year certificates is enough for us. So now we can add more roles actually. So it's gonna use my CA certificates for this. All done. Good. So now we can check our CA certificates. How it is working now. We go to the CA certificate authority. All right, we don't find it. No, that's not the things we need. We need to reach our CA server. Let's see how do we reach there. It must be here. It must be in administrative tools somewhere. Let's try to find out. It shouldn't. It's not here. Mm-hmm. It's interesting. Oh, now it came. Certification authority. So one issue is domain controller and my this machine is if I go to my certificate for this machine I should be able to issue certificates. If I reboot this it will get certificate from my machine, should get it reboot restart. Or I can issue certificates. So on my Windows domain member machine, I should be able to find this machine, this CA as my root certificate CA server. Okay, where I'm doing mistake. So I will go to my certificate on this machine. Minus computer certificates. Let's see. Where is my root CA? So this is my domain machine. I think, yeah, this had issued a certificate for 2 years. This machine, and let's go to the details. And this is my machine name 25 to lab. Let's verify this. Yeah, this is my CA certificate. So you can see my CA root CA certificate is ready and issuing certificate to my domain machines. And we use this for many stuff actually. We didn't get a certificate. We can check out the certificates. I think we got it. Uh, we just got it now, and detail is certification details. Oh, this is for Citrix, not this one. Request certificates. Computer by computer certificates. Yes, enroll, and we have one certificate from root CA, and we do a refresh here, and we can see. So this is very easy video, and you can also use certificate templates for if you want to set up any websites, web server certificates template you can use. uh, you can clone this template and create your own customized certificates for your web servers. We will be doing this in when we will be setting up Citrix environment or some other IS websites in our environment. We will be using this CA certificate. So stay tuned, and we will upload more videos with more details soon. We will be doing this exercise again in some of the videos, like issuing certificates and installing certificates on Netscaler and with the website and IS. So if you don't get a complete concept, we will talk in another video in depth. But this week we will be uploading some ethical hacking video. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and happy reading.